everyone, start off by taking a section of the hair from the front of the head and then begin to braid this portion of the hair. Then, as you progress with the braid, start by taking sections from the right side of the scalp before the central parting and include it into your braid. Braid it until you reach the bottom and then add a rubber band. Then fold it up and add 2 more rubber bands. For our next hairdo, start off by taking a small portion from the middle of the hair and make a braid as such. Tie it up as such. Then go to the back and then begin to braid the hair. Make a French braid on one of the sides as such. Take hair from the left and the right sections of the hair while you include it into the braid. Roll up the braid and add a rubber band. For our next hairdo, start off by taking a section of the hair from the front. Then tie it up into a ponytail. Braid one portion of this ponytail, take a section from the front and then tie a rubber band to it. Repeat this step 2 more times. Do the same on the right side and join it at the back. Comb it all in place. For our next hairdo, start off by taking a section of the hair from the front, then divide the section into 2 parts. After you have done this, start to twist the hair. Twist the hair over 2 times and then take another section of the hair from the right side of the scalp, that is before the central parting. Then put it through the 2 divisions that you have made and twist the hair. Keep repeating this step and go all around the head. To repeat this step 1 more time, take a section of the hair, include it between the 2 divisions and then twist it. Once you reach the end, you may braid it. Make a normal braid that goes all the way down. For our next hairdo, make 3 divisions before the central parting. Then join these 2 at the base as such. Make 2 more ponytails out of it. Twist these in on each other so that they form 2 twists and make a ponytail out of it, out of which the bottom is a braid. Now roll this inwards. Wrap the braid around it and tie a rubber band to it. For our next hairdo, take a section of the hair from the front, tie it into a ponytail. Now divide this hair into 3 portions and then begin to braid it. As you progress with the braid, keep including sections from the left side of the scalp into this braid. Keep going until you reach the bottom. Tie a rubber band to it once you are done with the braid. Now, taking the second division of the ponytail, begin to braid the hair once more. However, in this braid, as you are progressing with the braid, take sections of the hair from the right side. However, the right side before the central parting. Now join this all together at the bottom and add a braid. Roll it upwards. For our next hairdo, start off by adding a decorative ribbon in the front. Then, using the ribbon as a section of the hair, firstly, tie the hair up, roll it in on itself. After you tie a rubber band to this, start making a braid using this ribbon as a section. Join them at the back of both sides, and then make a bow out of it. Next, take 2 sections from the front and make 2 braids out of it. Then, take 1 more section from the front and make a braid out of the 2 braids as well as this other section. Keep including sections from the left side of the scalp as you progress with this braid. This is what it should look like. Keep adding sections and then once you reach the bottom, you may normally braid the hair. Repeat this on the right side and join them both at the back. Thank you for watching.